Build your system the way you want with a Milwaukee PACKOUT rolling tool chest, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. Built to be the most versatile, the rolling tool chest has a dual stack top, which allows the transportation of 2 full stacks on and off the job site. Featuring a 250-pound capacity, this PACKOUT solution stores large tools and job site materials in the 35-gallon chest. Designed to be the most durable, this rolling tool chest has an impact-resistant polymer construction, an industrial-grade handle, and 9-inch all-terrain wheels designed to withstand harsh job site conditions. Milwaukee PACKOUT revolutionizes the way you transport, organize, and store your tools on and off the job site. PACKOUT is the first system providing true modularity, allowing you to store and transport boxes, organizers, tool bags, and more in any configuration that works for you. The Milwaukee PACKOUT Rolling Tool Chest, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system.